Battalion 2, Ambush 14, 24, and 35. Strike Team 3. Colorado Road and Scripps Poway Parkway.
Zulu Brush 91, we're going to need a water drop on that side. We have about 100 cars, and the fire's going to be creeping their way down to the parked vehicles.
Battalion 7. Vehicle fire first alarm. Colorado Road and Scripps Poway Parkway. Battalion 7. Battalion 2, Ambush 14, 24, and 35. Strike Team 3. Colorado Road and Scripps Poway Parkway.
Zulu Brush 91. Zulu Brush 91, we're going to need a water drop on that side. We have about 100 cars, and the fire's going to be creeping their way down to the parked vehicles. We do have active fire that's ahead of you, creeping its way down to the vehicles.
Operations, Governor 39 Bravo.
Operations, go ahead.
Currently northbound over the 52 with water inbound to your fire.
Yeah, they need you to go direct with Division Zulu, the engine 42. They have the most active flank.
Copy, engine 42, Division Zulu. We'll get them on tap once we get overhead.
Once we get water, we're going to make our way up and down into the canyon, and it's a backing fire on Division Alpha.
Operations from Division Zulu, we have heavy fire on Division Zulu side, making a run up the hill. Copter 3 just made a drop. We're going to need additional water drops and manpower on Division Zulu. I'd say we got at least 1 acre fire, moderate rate of spread in medium to heavy fuels. It's going up slope on the north aspect. We also have a packing fire on the south aspect down to the road below.
That's confirmed. There are houses above on that hill. You can see where we drop down. There's a cul-de-sac up there. Recommend getting units to the top of that hill in that cul-de-sac. We're in the tip right now. I'm talking Copper 12. We'll be back with water.
You got a fire working in the drainage there. Let me know what sort of drainage. I've got a Tech 3 strike team and a Tech 1 strike team in around.
Full knockdown on the RV.
Operations copy, full knockdown RV.
You guys can get back this way to the west. I see a little spot fire up by me on this ridge. Do we have any more active fire to our east?
Division Zulu, Copter 3. We were just about to drop on that right flank. You had to hold it. And we're looking for that spot right now, if you can identify better. Division Zulu, Copter 3. We're going to be coming back around here and taking another look. But right now, this laid down, there's very little active fire except for the bottom of the drainage. But we'll take a look coming down the drainage.
That's affirmative. We have a hot spot down in the gully that we're working on. Most of the fire is knocked down on the north side.
Operations Copter 3, update on conditions. You have about an acre and a half fire here that has been knocked down. I have no active flame right now, just some smoldering bushes down into the final draw, but good protection with hose lines around the flanks leading up to the structures. We have water. We'll continue to patrol. Recommend you release Copper 12. Operation Copter 3 update. You do have the entire fire surrounded with hose lines. I know you just did a parallel your divisions. You're deep into overall at this point. Recommend go ahead and get released.
and media is 97.
Media 97, 10 4.